Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Up till now we have completed our 2 chapters, human skeletal and muscular system and the nervous system. Today we are going to start our 3rd chapter, more about plants. In this chapter you will learn about the modes of or the ways of reproduction in plants, then definition of reproduction, then seed structure, germination of seed, then you will learn about the dispersal of seed, and then the different ways of reproduction in plants. We will see one by one. Today we are going to start with one activity. Yes, I am going to show you some pictures and you have to arrange them in sequence. Okay, so here are some pictures. See, this is first picture, this one is second, then third, fourth and fifth. I am having 5 pictures of these seeds and these are the stages of life cycle of plant. You will see in the picture, first picture, that there are different pictures. Yes, and you have to arrange them in a sequence. So you will see in second picture there is I have arranged in sequence. Yes, so first it is a seed, then the seed increases in size, then third one is root come out, then shoot come out, baby shoot come out, and the plants grow. The root develops downside in the soil and the shoot above the soil. Yes, so these are the stages of life cycle and in this sequence the plant grow. See, just now we have seen the life cycle of plant and you have arranged the pictures in a sequence and you will see how plant grows. Yes. Now in your textbook there is I connect portion. In that one question is given. I am going to read for you and you will see in the picture. Yes. From where do we get all the things shown the picture? See, here in picture you will see there are some things, there are some pictures and you have to tell me from where all this we are getting. Are you able to see there is a tomato and fruits and vegetables, then bread is there and coconut. All these things from where we are getting. Yes, all these things we are getting from plants. Yes, we are getting fruits, vegetables, then grains. Yes, all these things we are getting from plants. In your textbook there is a I read section and one small story is there. I am going to read that for you. Yesterday my grandparents called gardener to grow different plants in our garden. The gardener brought some seeds, sapling and stems. Plants grow from seeds and saplings. How can we grow new plant from stem? Now we all know that if we are going to sow a seed and it will the new plant will grow out of that, or if we are planting a small plant then also it will grow. But how can from a stem new plants grow? Yes, so see, the plants grow through different ways, from seed also, from parts of plant body, and through a special structure that is called, yes, okay, that is called spore. Yes, first we will see what is reproduction, why we have to sow seeds, what is sowing, then what are the different techniques to sow the seed. See, sowing means the process of planting seed. If we are planting a seed, that is called sowing. We can sow a seed in a by different methods. First method is scattering, means we are just throwing the seeds and that seed will germinate there. Then drilling, we are drilling a hole and in that we will put. Yes, then dibbling, then seed dropping. Yes, maybe you have seen or not, but farmer is sowing the seed. That time he is plowing and there is a long stick and above there is a funnel like structure and he is putting the seed in that, and downside the stick will make a furrow and in that the seeds will grow and the soil will be covering that seeds. Yes, so this is called the seed dropping method. Yes, then drilling and dibbling. Dibbling means there is a small instrument that we have to do manually. We are doing one hole and in that you people means we have to sow seed. So there are different methods of sowing seed. The first, what is sowing? Sowing is planting of seeds. Then the different ways of sowing or different techniques of sowing are scattering method, drilling method, dibbling method, then seeds dropping method. Yes, all these are the different techniques by which we can sow the seed. Then why do we sow the seed? We are sowing seed to obtain a new plant. Yes, of same kind. If I am sowing the seed of mango, then I will get a mango tree. So we are sowing the seed to get a new plant of same kind, and that is called reproduction. So reproduction means the process by which the living things produce more of their own kind. Yes, and that process is called reproduction. So in plants, I have told you, in plants the plant can reproduce through different ways. First, seed, that we know if we are going to sow a seed that will grow into a new plant. Then when we are planting cuttings of or different parts of a plant, then also that part also grow into new plant, and that is called vegetative reproduction, or the reproduction through the parts of plant body. So first is, if we are going to sow the seeds from seed, new plant will grow. Then second, if we are planting the different parts of the plant, then also we will get the new tree. And in some plants there is a special structure by which that plant reproduce, that is called this is a tiny structure that is called spore. Then why some plants produce through spores? See, there are two types of plants, flowering and non-flowering. Means some plants bear flowers and some cannot. Yes, so the plants which bear flowers, seeds, they produce leaves. First there is a flower and that flower changes into fruit, and inside fruit there is a seed, and when that seed we are going to sow, it will grow into a new plant. Yes, but there are some plants, they don't have flowers, then there is no fruit and seeds. So in non-flowering plants there is a special structure, and that is called spores. Yes, we will see afterwards. And if we are going to plant a leaf of any plant, or stem of any plant, or roots of any plant, then also that grows into new plants. So we will see the different ways the plant grows. There are, if I am having different parts, now I don't know which plant grows by which way. Okay, I am having if I am having onion, potato, ginger, sugar cane, then carrot, radish, turnip, then I am having one begonia plant, or I am having bryophyllum plant. These are the names of plants. Bryophyllum, begonia, yeah, sansevieria, yeah, I am having mushrooms. You know mushrooms, yes, mushrooms. Or fern, there is a one plant that is called ferns and mosses. In rainy season May, you have observed all the velvety structure growing on the wall, and these are the mosses. Yes, so we have to segregate them, or we have to classify them into the categories, that is the plant which grows through seed, the plant which grows through their stem, the plants which grow through their leaves, and the plants which grow through their roots. Yes, see, first we will take the onion. Onion is a stem, so we are going to put that onion and it will grow into a new onion plant. Yes, then if we are going to put potato also stem. Yes, you have seen the eyes on the potato, and if you cut that portion and put into the soil, it will grow into the new plant. So potato plant is grown through stem. Onion also, then sugarcane also, then hibiscus, shoe flower, you know, jasud you are saying, that also grows. Then rose, if you are cutting a stem of rose and put into the soil, it will grow. Yes, so all these plants grow through stem. Then I have told you that bryophyllum, begonia, sansevieria, kalanchoe, African violet, all these plants, if you are going to put their leaf into the soil, that leaf having some buds, and that will grow into a new plant. So African violet, begonia, bryophyllum is called, in our local language it is called panfuti. Yes, so on the border of that leaf the small birds are there, and when that birds grow on that leaf, and after some time when that leaf fall down in the soil, that birds grows into a new plant. Yes, so from leaves also plant grows, like in African violet, that is one of kind of plant. Then kalanchoe, begonia, bryophyllum, then sansevieria. These are the names of plant that grows through leaves. Carrot you have seen, yes. Then carrot, sweet potatoes, then radish, all these grow through roots. All these are the roots. Yes, so these plants go through their roots. And you people, many of you have a mushroom is your favorite. Yes, so mushroom is nothing but it is one type of fungi. Yes, you will learn in higher classes the classification of plant and all, but you have to think that fungus, it is one type of fungus. Yes, the mushrooms, edible it is, means we can eat that. Mushrooms, mosses and ferns grow or reproduce through spores. Yes, so you are able to classify the plants, you know the definition of reproduction, you know the ways through which plant reproduce, you know the definition of sowing. Yes, so we are going to stop here in today's session. We have learned all these, and you have to watch this again, you have to read that portion in from your textbook. Yes, so bye.